Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's social science class. Today, we can start a new lesson that is also from your geography. Eighth chapter, Human Environment, Interactions, the Tropical and the Subtropical Regions. Okay, so eighth chapter, Human Environment, Interactions, the Tropical and the Subtropical Regions. Human Environment, Interactions, the Tropical and Subtropical Regions. Life in the Amazon basin. Before learning about the Amazon basin, let us look at the map figure 8.2. Notice that the tropical regions lies very close to the equator between 10 degree north and the 10 degree south. So it is referred to as the equatorial region. The river Amazon flows through this region. Notice how it is flow from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. The place where the river flow into another body of water is called the river's mouth. Okay, the place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to, from the Amazon basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, part of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and small part of the Venezuela. Climate. As you now know, the Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day, that too without much warming. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. At the nights, the temperature goes down, but the humidity remains high. Rainforest. As it is rains heavy, in this region, thickly forests grow. The forest area, in fact, so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. Orchids, bromeliads grow as plant parasites. The rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds such as toucans, hummingbirds, bird of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage, oversized bills of for eating make them different form of birds we commonly see in India. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest. Animals like monkeys, sloth, and ant-eating turtles are found here. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in these jungles. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons, above, anaconda, and boa constrictor are some of the species. Besides, the basin is home to thousands of species of insects. Several species of fishes including the flesh-eating piranha fish is also found in the river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found people there. Of the rainforest. People grow most of their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest. While men hunt and fish along the rivers, women take care of the crops. They mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potato. As hunting and fishing are uncertain, is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables they grow. They practice slash and burn agriculture. The staple food is manioc, also known as cassava, that grow under the ground like the potato. Cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown. The rainforests provide a lot of wood for the houses. Some families live in thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are other large apartments like houses called malaka with a steeply slanting roof. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In the older days, the heart of the forests could be reached only by navigating the river. In 1970, the Trans Amazon Highway made all part of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching various places. The indigenous population was pushed out from the area and forced to settle the new areas where they continued to practice their distinctive way of farming. The developmental activities are leading to the gradual destruction of the biologically diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. You can see that this destruction of forest has a much wider implication. The topsoil is washed away as the rains fall and the lush forest turns into a barren landscape. Life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The tributaries of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. The basin lies in the subtropical regions that is situated between 10° north to 30° north latitudes. The tributaries of the river Ganga like the Ghankra, the Son, the Chambal, the Ghadak, the Kosi and the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. The plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountains and the foothills of the Himalayas and the Sundarbans Delta are the main features of this basin. Osbo lakes dot the plain area. The area is dominated by monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains from mid June to mid September. The summers are hot and the winters cool. The soil is fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people where flat land is available to grow crops. The density of the population of the plains is very high. The main crop is paddy. Since cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water, it is grown in the areas where the amount of rainfall is high. Wheat, maize, sorghum, gram, and millets are the other crops that grow. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown. There is a variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. The one-horned dinosaurs is found in the Brahmaputra plain. The delta area, Bengal tiger, crocodiles, and alligator are found. Aquatic life abounds in the fresh river waters, the lakes, and Bay of Bengal Sea. The most popular varieties of the fish are the rohu, katla, and hilsa. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the people living in the area. Terrace farming. Terraces are built on the steep slopes to create flat surface on which crops are grown. The slope is removed so that water does not run off rapidly. The Ganga Brahmaputra plain has several big towns and cities. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata, all with the population of more than 10 lakhs, are located along the river Ganga. Tourism is another important activity of the basin. Taj Mahal on the banks of river Yamuna in Agra, Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh, Assam with Kasiranga and Manas with wildlife sanctuaries, and Arunachal Pradesh with a density tribal culture are some of the places. Okay, children, let us wind up today's class. And this chapter is also over. Now you have to read this complete chapter many times and underline important points. Then do exercises. Okay, thank you to listening.